Welcome back to another Roblox video, and today I'm playing camping. It's just called camping, but it's series 2 because there's boats now. Oh, what? I didn't even press the hop off button. We just need 2 more people. Wow, something to tip me for. Yeah. Sorry, peepee. Sorry again. Oh. That goes all the way in the back. Cause she's stupid. She doesn't even have any accessories or anything. That's the stupidest thing ever. To not have accessories. Now, bye. I'm gonna meet you on the next game, and you already know what. Hey guys, I am back, and I'm in another video. Welcome to Taylor Park. I am Ranger. Let's start with the. I was keep missing the letters. This is the campsite where half of you will be sleeping through. It's going to be... Follow me, check out the next location. So I think we go through this bridge, yes? Ooh, there's a cabin. There's a cabin? Wow, that's a cool looking cabin. Wait. Welcome to the cabin. Through half of you will be sleeping here. I know. I will show you where the bathroom is. Yeah, people definitely need bathrooms. I put the volume up because I don't have any special music to put on. So, I just put on the game music. The camping music. Wow, a mirror. This is the bathroom. Dot. The mirror is a kind of dirty. The mirror is kind of dirty. Wait! Oh my gosh. That was crazy and scary. In the mirror, I just saw me getting stabbed by a knife. Always that clothing, I was thought, I don't know what's that. Hi, do you want to play? Don't listen to any sound. Daniel. That's your name. So, you have a cool face, and you have a camping sword, and you have camping pants, and you have hair. That's the book. It's getting light. Let's split into our sleeping groups. I will be staying with the group. At the cabin. So he said cabin. So I need to go to the... This is not the cabin. That was not the cabin. That was the sleeping places. It's just all black. I know. What? Someone has a gadget in their name. In this game. So yeah, I was just obsessed with Old Town Road. Just because I love Old Town Road. Like and subscribe and comment down below Do you like Old Town Road? Oh! Oh my gosh, he has his knife. This could be a bad. Is this because it doesn't let you spawn back? Because spawn back costs Robux. Before we get inside of the cabin. We're safe. Good. Someone has an I love cats sword just like me. I don't really love cats in real life. Oh my gosh. What do I see? Where's the music go? I think he's gone. ... Who was that? Innovation mark, question mark. We don't know. It attacked us at the tents. Where is the rest? I didn't see the rest just because I don't know his name. What? Don't get out. Wait, are we stuck in here? Can I got the window and talk to him? Right. Oh, maybe he's trying to open the door. Hey guys, are you okay? I heard some. No, we were attacked by at the tent. Well, don't be silly. I know you're just trying to scare me. Where you guys? I didn't see the rest. That was too fast. I get how this guy. I'm gonna say this. I wanted to say something to that guy, to the leader. BANEL. Seems it's a sunny day. You can go outside and play. Wait. Oh, I see him out that window. Hi guys. Hey guys. Who's excited to go hiking today? I am back and I just missed the guy. I don't know where he is. Okay, I'm not gonna join you right now because I'm busy making a video. Night is happy. Okay. Pardon, so. No, fine, let's get inside fast. Oh, I can't move! Stop! This is a real problem! This is a real problem! This is bad! No, I'm unstuck! This is bad! No, I can't reset! That's the baddest thing ever! Oh, wood. We gotta collect wood. scared me. 1 wood. Need wood to set up the fire. I'm on camping. You can join me. No, I'm in the one with the boats. Two wood. Ooh, she found 3 wood. 4 wood. I would just need 1 more wood. But let's need 1 more piece of wood. I just need 1 more piece of wood. But they'll meet me back at the tents. Or is it a bug? He's gonna be the person that has the gun. It's that guy. Oh, it's the guy that said it. But it's all black. It's him versus the gun. I think it's gonna pick up the gun. What are you doing? I'm sorry, dear, but there is too much device psych. Do it. Now. Please don't say. I can't believe you were almost going to kill me last night. Did you really think I was a murderer? Always. I couldn't. I will never kill you. You're my friend, and I didn't even pick up the gun. You did. I didn't want. I'm gonna view my character. See, look, I have so much stuff. Money necklace. What? I'm going on the bridge. So I want to read the signs. Cabin, camp, bathroom. Night is coming. I'm just gonna do night is coming. Hop in. I'm down here. I don't see everything. This is gonna be a hard part. Because you can't jump at the snake. Oh no, we forgot to leave a rope to get back up. We need to find a new way out. Wait, it's me. That's my character. I'm stupid at mazes. my gosh, I did not see him. Continue. Snake. Eek, snakes. So I'm gonna have to end this video because I died. Lobby. And bye.